How to fix Minecraft Microsoft account not signing in PS5. I'm going to tell you how to fix Minecraft Microsoft account not signing in on PlayStation 5. This issue usually pops up when Minecraft on your PS5 fails to link properly with your Microsoft account, leaving you stuck in the sign in screen or in an endless loading loop. First, try restarting the game and your console. It sounds basic, but a hard reset often clears temporary sync errors. If that doesn't work, go to the official Microsoft account website on your phone or computer and check if your account is already linked to a different PlayStation Network ID. Minecraft only allows one PSN account per Microsoft login. If it is, you won't be able to link a new one. You'll either have to use that original PSN or create a brand new Microsoft account. Still stuck? Go into Minecraft's saved data under your PlayStation 5 settings and delete the game's local profile data. This won't erase your worlds but resets the login process. Then relaunch Minecraft and try signing in again. If you're still getting errors, check your internet connection or uninstall and reinstall the game completely. And if all else fails, Mojang Support has a dedicated page for PS5 login problems.